Hey there, what's up everybody? Probably been wondering what's going on. Snowboarding season is just about to end up on the mountain. I'm out here at home right now trying to get the motorcycle started because my bike got stolen. So yeah, came out over the weekend to try to get the motorcycle started, and let me show you kind of what's going on with it right now. As soon as I get all that tarp and stuff off. Alrighty, so right now I've got all the the panels and the seat taken off the motorcycle. One of the little brackets that normally goes right here is off, I think. So I need access to the battery. If I can find my keys. Not in this pocket, maybe. This pocket? Oh, there. Sounds like this when I go to start it. Key forward. Is the light on still? Yeah, I got a little bit of light. Let's just pull this choke and see what happens. Oh, choke's pulled. Let's see if it does the same thing. Yep, that's what it sounds like. Hopefully I didn't just blow that fuse again. Because when I went to start it after the winter, and mind you, this thing was not running well before I went to store it. When I started it after the winter, it made that crazy noise. And it blew my fuse last time. Looks like fuse is still intact this time. So we are not going to try to start it anymore. I actually took this battery to a testing shop to get tested. They gave me an estimate of 10% health and a quarter of its cold cranking amps rated. So I went out and bought a new battery, but the new battery it's a lead acid battery and you have to add the acid yourself, and it also doesn't come with a charge. So I've been having it sit on the charger, and it actually just turned to green while I was recording the rest of this video. So we are going to unplug it, test it, and see if it starts up the motorcycle for me now. Some interesting things I learned about motorcycle batteries is they are 12 volts. I wasn't sure if they'd be like a 9-volt system or something weird. And they use a low amperage charging system. So I may have actually damaged the old battery that's still in there right now, because I actually moved the truck forward, popped the hood, and jumped the truck battery to the motorcycle, and it may have had too much amperage from the truck battery into the motorcycle. So these little batteries here require 1 amp to 1.5 amp charging rates. There's a little guide in the manual. It says it takes 1 to 4 hours. Took 3 hours, so I'm guessing it probably charged at about 1.5 amps. Luckily, a friend of mine had a trickle charger that plugged into the wall, so it's all charged up. We're gonna turn on my tester here. Boom, it's lighting up. Let's see if I can't get these contacts to contact. Let's see what it says. Alright, we got 13.6 volts. That's a little bit high. Hopefully everything's good in there. So let's go stick it in the bike and see if I can start it successfully. Alright. I'm going to bring my tester back over. Just to make sure, you know, nothing weird's happening after I've installed it now, so. Alright. We got our negative, we got our positive. 13.5 and holding steady. So doesn't look, oh, 13.49. Why are you changing? Let's do it again. You're gonna be 13.48. Are you drawing? One more try. Third time. 13.5, 13.49. Alright, that's cool. Now then. Move forward. My light is on. Maybe it's a little bit brighter. Choke is pulled. We've got the fuel moving. Let's give it a go. Come on, baby. Alright, no big deal. Just make sure there's no bubbles or nothing in here. Ready to go again. Ah, yes. As you can hear, she sounds like starting up, but she's going, so success. No bicycle. I think I'll be riding the motorcycle a lot more this summer. I hope you enjoyed watching me successfully get the motorcycle started. I didn't mind it too much. It wasn't too bad. I learned a couple of things and had some fun, and we will see you next time. Just want to say thanks again for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it and want to see more, please hit the like button and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.